Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting with some commentary for Friday. It's about 2:45 Eastern Time. Had a very raucous day in the trade on this Friday. The markets started out a little stronger overnight and then took a pretty good little spill in some of them. But by the time the smoke cleared, it wasn't too bad of a day. That's what we like to tell customers, that from the opening tick of the market to right before the close, all that's noise. It's the settlement that means the most. And of course, I think that's always been the case. March cotton expired today. It's gone, and it went out at above 91 cents, up 102 points, while the other months were slightly off a little bit. New crop December nearly fulfilled some dreams today. It went to 79.95. I'm sure there was a ton of sales at 80 cents that obviously did not get elected. Then the market dropped down about 150 points. I'm sure some people were chasing it, selling and cash fixing all the way down. But by the end of the day, we actually came back and closed 79.32, down a mere 23 points. So the market is definitely within arm reach of the 80 cent mark. Over in the beans today, they, like so many other markets, up and down and all around. We had a pretty 25-cent trading range today in the beans. By the end of the day, though, they did close very nicely higher, stronger. New crop beans actually around 11.87, only up 1 cent, but the old crop were up close to 20 cents, so that was a little impressive there. And there's still a lot of talk about the tightness of beans. We'll know more about that Monday when the USDA puts out its supply-demand report, in which they'll give us a look at what they're thinking in terms of cotton carry-out, soybeans, corn, and wheat. Speaking of wheat today, it was also up about 8 cents today. Ever since it put in that January low, wheat's been coming up pretty nicely, pretty strong. We're, of course, concerned about the Ukraine. There's also a drought happening in the Ukraine right now, and that is could be a meaningful thing for the wheat market. Some people say, why Ukraine? Well, at one time, Ukraine was a net exporter of wheat to the world. And, of course, that was going back several decades. Then the communists took over and it lost its ability to produce, but certainly the potential's there. Corn today slightly lower, although we did trade $5 corn. May corn hit above $5, July corn over $5. September got close, I guess $4.97, going out $4.87, but still, again, we're within arm's reach, and maybe we'll have a better idea of it at come Monday when the supply-demand number is released. So we'll get those numbers. We'll be on here Monday for some more assessment. If you have any questions or comments in the meanwhile, call us 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.